y'all, it's Queen Peazy. Happy holidays. And I'm getting ready to make some collard greens, some dressing, some turkey, some mac and cheese, some banana pudding, and some crescent rolls for our Christmas dinner for me and my baby. So just gonna give you little tidbits here and there, and I'll be back when I get the greens on. Alright you guys, so the greens are on. Look at that. That looks so good. And they're gonna cook down for hours. Be back shortly. Alright y'all, we're back. Got the greens up to a boil. Turn them down low. About to let them cook. You know how we do it. Got that going. Put my little lid on. Go over here. Got my bird in. He gonna take a minute. Got him in my little roaster. Got my little baster. Happy holidays, everybody. Part 1 Christmas dinner. Peace out.